Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn what a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater and shawl and stall. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 6 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 7 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 7 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 18 stitches on my needle, 14 stitches, multiple of 7 2 times 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 plus 2 extra stitches 16 and plus 2 edge stitches 18. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl to knit 5. This is 7 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 7. Again we repeat this pattern how many stitches has. One more time. Purl to 1, 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches. Purl to 1, 2, knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. In this row knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, knit to 1, 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit to purl 5. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Knit to 1, 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 3 stitches. Knit to 1, 2, purl edge from wrong side. Third row right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl to 1, 2, yarn in back. Here we have 5 knit stitches. Now knit 1, yarn over, knit 3 together. For this twist these first 2 stitches like this. Take this 2 on your left needle and take 3 stitches together and knit 3 together from back loop. Yarn over, knit 1. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl to knit 1, yarn over, knit 3 together from back loop, yarn over, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern how many you have. So one more time. Purl to 1, 2, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3 together, twist these first 2, take this 2 on your left needle, take 3 stitches together from back loop and knit 3 together from back loop, yarn over, knit 1. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches. Purl to 1, 2, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed of fourth row wrong side. Again we make this row same as row second. Slip edge, knit to 1, 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit to purl 5. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Knit to 1, 2, pole 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 3 stitches knit to 1, 2, pole edge from wrong side. 5th row, right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, pole 2, 1, 2, knit 1, pole 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Pole 2, knit 1, pole 3, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time, pole 2, 1, 2, knit 1, pole 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. Last 3 stitches, pole 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. 5th row is complete now. 6th row wrong side. Again this row we make same as row second, slip edge, knit 2, 1, 2, pole 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our repeat from here to here, knit to pole 5. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time, knit to 1, 2, pole 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 3 knit to 1, 2, pole edge from wrong side. 6th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from 1st row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 6 rows, and after a repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project. So friend, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.